Kashoo tutorial. Need simple accounting software? Today we walk through Kashoo, how to set up, invoice, track expenses, and generate reports. So start by signing up for an account on kashoo.com, and once inside, the dashboard shows invoices, expenses, bank feeds, and reports all in one place. So you need to enter your business name, address, and select your currency. Kashoo supports multi-currency, making it useful for freelancers working internationally. Now click on invoices and then select new invoice in here, and then add client details, items, and payment terms. You can send invoices by email and accept online payments. Now go to the expense tab. So from here, go ahead and enter an expense, enter the vendor amount and category, upload receipts for easy record keeping. Connect your bank account to import transactions automatically. So you can do that by selecting banking at the left side of your screen, and then Kashoo suggests categories, making reconciliation quick and accurate. Now you can generate report once you head over into the reports tab. So as you can see, you can generate income statement, unpaid invoices, unpaid bills, balance sheets, trial balance, general ledger, and all transaction. Generate reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and tax summaries. This help you understand your business performance at a glance. Kashoo is safe, simple, and affordable, perfect for freelancers and micro businesses. But if you need payroll, inventory, or scaling features, QuickBooks or Xero may be better long term.